Hi YouTube and welcome to another episode. Today I have here the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious Mix 2. We're gonna open them, we're gonna review them, so sit back and enjoy. So let's start with the Camaro. Look at that car right there, pretty nice. Okay, let's start at the front. Look at that grille and look at those headlights. Look very nice. Let's look at the rear. Nice tail lights. Nice license plate there. Exhaust look cool. Man, and look at those wheels. They look amazing. And I can see I like these textures on the tires as well. Again, it's Hot Wheels. What are you doing? Come on! How can you leave this one without side view mirrors? Side view mirrors is something that I take deeply. Okay, the paint, it's blue. I like it. It has the Yenko name right there and those stripes right here, right? I remember from the movie this car jumped into a jet, I believe it was. I think it in the second movie. So pretty nice, pretty cool. Let's put it right here. Let's put it here in front of the house. Second, let's go with the Land Cruiser. Pretty nice card right there. Zoom at the card. Pretty cool, right? Let's look at the front. Nice grille. Hardly to see the Toyota logo there, but it's still okay. Headlights very nice. Let's look at the rear. Nice, awesome, great. Tail lights good. The emblem right here looks okay. This time I think you can barely read Toyota, but okay. And well, no license plate. Man, how I like those wheels right here. Very nice. And this time, yes, we have a side view mirror. Yay! And there's something that I don't see that often. Look at that. Wipers. Great. This is a great car. Amazing. I mean, the textures and everything look great. Look at that on the roof. I like it. Very nice. Well done. Next, the Lykan Hypersports or Hypersport. It's the car right there. Pretty nice. I remember this car. It jumped from several buildings. Pretty crazy. Let's look at the details. The front, the grille, pretty nice. Those headlights, pretty nice. I can see the logo right there, pretty good. On the rear, a bit crazy, but cool. Grille, it's the rear grille this time. Probably these are the exhaust, and the spoiler right there. The wheels are alright. Side view mirrors this time, good. And this is a crazy design. I mean, I don't see this. I've never seen this in real life. Would like to see one day, but I don't think that will happen. And this one came with this imperfection right there. I don't know what that is. I cannot remove it. Or can I? No, I cannot. And there's another imperfection there. Not sure what it was that. Cool. He has that Hot Wheels sparkly thing. However, I'm not sure if that's the right one, because in the card it's solid, right? And in the Hot Wheels, I mean, he has that sparkly thing going on. But it's still good. It's very good. Good job, Hot Wheels. Let's put it right here. Next, this is the 1971 Plymouth GTX. Look at the car right there. Pretty nice, pretty cool. Look at here. This was the car that got a bunch of like harpoons in, I think it was in the Fate of the Furious. I think it's the 8th movie, right? Dom was driving it, and he got like a bunch of cords attached to it, right? Pretty crazy stuff. So let's open up. Okay, so let's look at the front. Awesome, 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 awesome. Grill, headlights, everything, awesome. Here, great, excellent, awesome as well. That license plate Plymouth looks awesome, cool. Wheels, very nice, very nice indeed. Like, great job here. I mean, I like that contrast there with that brown and the silver there. Excellent. Oh man, come on, Hot Wheels, can you get a side view mirror here? Really? Is it much to ask? Okay, I'll be ranting all day. So black, except for these stripes right here, and there's some logos right there. Well, no logos. That's the stuff that you put in the hood, right? Because of this is so black. I mean, it's very easy to get smudged, right, in all over the car. But it's awesome. Let's put this one right here. And last but not least, we have the Dodge Charger. Pretty nice card, pretty good. This is from the 9th movie, I believe. That's where John Cena starred. Pretty nice. Let's look at the car right there. Let's open up. Alright, let's look at the front. Pretty nice headlights there. Grill's good. Fog lights also there. Pretty nice. Let's look at the rear. The emblem looks pretty nice. Headlights nice. Exhaust is there. Pretty good. I like this detail on the hood. I mean, it even has like the grillet there, so appreciate it for that. Very good job. Wheels, alright. But again, Hot Wheels, what are you doing? Please add some side view mirrors there, right? Side view mirrors is it's a part of the car. It should be there, especially on a premium, right? That's my only complaint about it, but everything else looks nice in here in the details. So I'm a bit undecided. I mean, the Charger, cool. The Camaro, cool. All right. The Lykan, I think this will be a last place for me. But these two man, oh man, and they are so cool, right? The Land Cruiser is a masterpiece in terms of details, right? Whereas the Plymouth here, it's just so cool. Too bad they didn't put these the side view mirrors here, and the paint leaves too many smudges. But man, oh man, no, I think the winner, it's the Land Cruiser, right? If I were to buy only one of this, I will take it. I will take the Land Cruiser. I mean, but as a strong second, it will be the Plymouth. So I hate not to put the Plymouth in the display because he didn't win it, but yeah, I have to admit the Land Cruiser is the winner here. So congratulations, buddy, you earned it.